My name is Tom. Is the Chinese name is the Tong Wei. I'm working in the Microsoft China. Is charge of the Greater China Education Program. In terms of the Kent Mandarin, the high schools, a lot of the best practice in the one-to-one programs. So we would like is to bring some of the one-to-one and professional development program in the teachers and some of the management mechanism and operation exercise to the China. We can share is these good practices, best practice and exercise and the good programs to the China, so that we can localize to the based on the China situations and promote technology in the China education industry.